This might be the best plugin for lo-fi effects. Let me show you why. We are gonna start with this demo song that you just heard, and I'm gonna show you how I used this lo-fi plugin. The plugin is called RETROCRAFT by UJAM, and it is absolutely awesome for lo-fi. But a lot of these effects actually work very well in different genres as well, which I'm gonna show you later in the video. Enough talking, let me show you the first example in this track, which is this vocal. This is how it sounds without RETROCRAFT. It's a nice vocal chop already, but we want that vintage lo-fi sound. So what I'm gonna do is right off the bat use a preset. And you know, I love presets and there is tons of them in this plugin. So I'm gonna go straight to vocals and I'm gonna use this one called Space Harmonies. And that will be our starting point. So one more time without it. And now with it. A huge difference right off the bat. So you can see this is a really nice layout that they used in their previous plugin as well, called Voxcraft, and it's a very intuitive layout. So all I want to do here is increase the lo-fi a bit more, so it's even more crashed. And I'm actually going to lower the mix so we have a little bit more of the original sound coming through. And I'm also going to increase the reverb so it's more in the background. And I'm going to increase the delay as well. So this is before. And this is after. Let me also show you how it sounds in the context of the whole song. So this is without the effects. So it's way too powerful right here. And this is once we enable it. But if we want to make it a bit more obvious, we can of course lower the mix, so a bit more of the original sound comes through, and now it sounds like this. Let me show you another example in this song, and I'm gonna use RETROCRAFT on the master channel. So I have it right here, and I created an automation clip so it is active in the beginning and then turns off. So in the intro I have this. And what we are going to do is enable the speaker, and right off the bat that will give us a good starting point. I really love this effect when the song is starting with this tiny phone or speaker effect at the beginning to sort of introduce the sounds. So we're going to enable the speaker and I'm going to change it to telephone, and right off the bat listen to this. That is already really cool. Just gives it that vintage vibe. And I'm also gonna enable the lo-fi. Let's see. So I'm gonna change it to satellite. And let's see if we can adjust the color of the telephone effect. And just like that, we have a really cool intro to our song. In this next example, I want to show you how you can use it on drums as well. And that is actually huge. Specifically, this time I'm going to use it on this percussion loop, which sounds like this. I really like it, but it's kind of simple, but we want to make it more lo-fi for sure. First thing we want to do is adjust the analog mix. This is basically how much these effects will affect the sound. So I'm just going to go over here, and now let's turn on the amplifier. This is going to introduce some distortion. Let's try some different settings on this. We can also try the punish button. That crashes the sound quite a lot. Okay, now let's enable the player. Let's increase the drive. We're gonna go with reel to reel. Lower the noise. Now let's enable the lo-fi. And set it to lo-fi actually. I just love this noise it's creating. Okay, let's enable reverb as well. And let's also enable the chop function, so you can create different glitchy effects as well. I'm gonna go with gate, so it's just a bit more choppy. And for the final touch, I'm gonna lower the mix, so we get a bit of the drum back. But now the drums are a bit weak, so we can do the last fine tuning with these knobs right here. And I'm gonna use the super glue, which is a huge compression. Which is gonna bring back that power a bit. So now from a very simple percussion loop, which sounded like this, we have a huge vintage lo-fi percussion. You just get that dusty old school vibe. And everything together sounds like this. If you are liking RetroCraft so far, you can check it out, link is below in the description, and you can try it out yourself. Right now it's on a huge summer sale, so it is a good time to grab it. Now let's do the ultimate lo-fi test. Let's take this piano, which is a normal, realistic sounding piano. And let's see what this plugin can do to make this sound completely different. So first, let's go through some presets. This one is crazy. Right off the bat, I like the instability effect right here. Oh, I love the infinity reverb. That is great on its own, to be honest. Let's play with the chop and do reverse. Pretty cool for even ambient effects as well. Let's try different presets as well. Okay, might not be what we are looking for, but it's a hell of an ambient preset, this one. Almost like a guitar amplifier. Little melody. A bit more light. We tried a lot of different effects, and you can hear the range this plugin has. It can go totally crazy and destroy the sound, and it can go very light as well. This was before the effects. And this is with the effects. is this something you want to use every time? Of course not. Sometimes you just want the regular sound. But if you want something more dusty, vintage, retro, or whatever you want to call it, this is quite amazing and it does a lot. And last but not least, I really love using this on drums. I already showed you the percussion example, but now let's use it on a full drum loop and see what kind of results we can get. Here is the drum loop in question. Already a banger drum loop, but let's put some effects on it with RETROCRAFT, and let's start with some presets for drums. Love the super glue as well, gives it that punchy compression. Let's try another one. Super dusty. Oh, love this. And I love the bit crash effect to just completely destroy the sound. And yeah, you can also do that if you want to. You are on the toilet in the club and you just hear the band playing. This one is snappy. Alright, I'm gonna end it on that note. Really cool plugin. I love plugins for lo-fi effects, and this one can do it all. You can adjust everything in detail if you want to, or you can keep it simple and just play around with the main knobs and you'll be good as well. So if you wanna check it out, link is below in the description. RETROCRAFT by UJAM, definitely worth trying out. And if you do try it out, let me know what you think. Other than that, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.